almond and French structure tutorial, first I recommend making a super thin, transparent acrylic pre-sheet to define and shape the curvature. Subsequently, it is important to perform the reverse technique with precision and seal the cuticle perfectly. A plus is to encapsulate the cuticle with clear acrylic. This will prevent the definition of the smile line from lifting. 𝗧𝗜𝗘𝗙 is very important. That's why we file it at the end, even if it turned out pretty. I always recommend that the reverse technique have a height of 2 mm to apply the white, that it is not encapsulated, and that it remains at the level of the reverse. This way, you can achieve uniform finishes with less filing technique, something simpler, more practical, and with very beautiful results.